Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be planting an orange tree and a banana tree. The orange tree we're going to be planting is a Satsuma. It'll grow to be about 10 foot tall. My banana tree, come with me. It's a dwarf Cavendish banana. So it'll be small bananas. Won't be your full size. That's the two plants we're going to be doing. Got a orange tree over here. It was a Mexican mandarin orange tree.
You think it was called Mexican mandarin?
Yes, it was.
Really?
I got 9 bananas off of it, and then
No.
yeah, or 9 oranges off of it,
Yeah.
and then we had a frost, which
Oh no, we had a freeze for a week.
we had a freeze, and it looked like it was about to die, so I let it go. It came back, but this year it's not produced any buds for flowering, so I'm gonna hopefully the following year it'll come back. If not, that's why I'm growing another orange tree.
Okay. That's not where I want it.
Where?
About where you're standing, but a little closer to me. Yeah, right there.
Now we're going to add some compost.
Soil, whatever.
And then we'll add our tree. Maybe you want to come over and help pull this out?
I do it by myself. You can do it by yourself. Yep. Just to show you what I go through.
I'm not worried about that.
Huh?
I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about tearing up the root.
It doesn't hurt if you disturb the root a little bit. In fact, it can help.
Now what do you want on it?
Now you're going to put the soil around it.
Which soil?
You can put a little of the old or the new. Put the new on there. Now you can really say it's your orange tree. You planted it and everything. Is it straight? Like up and down? Okay, just pour you some more soil on there. No. That's going to sink down when you water it, so you need to put that around it.
So we're gonna use more than just one bag.
Probably. I threw the other one out of the truck, so it's not in the back of the truck anymore. Good enough. All right.
This is how you plant a tree.
Now we do the banana. It can't be below ground, it's going to sink. So you need to add some more dirt in there. As it gets watered, that's going to sink, so it would be. You're not enjoying gardening, are you?
No. crap, not mine.
You don't have to pack it down, that's good.
A little bit of sweat in there.
Is that the trick?
Yeah.
All right.
When you plant banana trees, they have what is called, I forget the technical term for them, but they produce siblings.
Pups.
Pups, that's it. So you want to make sure you have enough room. When you get your first couple pups, you have to leave one. You can't take all the pups away. There's a video we'll show you, or we'll show you when we get to that point. Once she starts producing pups, we'll show you the correct way to take care of the pups, take them out. You can pass them around to your friends or put them in different locations, but you got to leave at least one pup.
And this time when it freezes, we have to protect it.
Well, hopefully this time, by the time winter gets back around to us, they'll be solid. That we won't have to worry about that. I know people that all they do is they put them in the ground, they don't even do nothing, and here comes the bananas back.
You make it straight, it's not straight. Yeah, there you go.
These roots. Digging up roots. And hopefully by this time next year, we'll have bananas. I'm catching my breath. All right, so now we're going to get these watered in. Once you plant it, put a plant in the ground, you always want to get them watered in. You don't want to make it heavy or a hard stream, just kind of like a shower. That way the soil kind of packs down around it. And it gets the drink and it gets the nutrition off the organic soil that we put down on top of it. On banana trees, when you have this top leaf come up like this, you make sure you water there. It gets all the way to the root. I learned that on our last banana tree we had. I did a lot of research on them. I'll water this one too. Water this some of that nutrition down in there.
You're not giving up on that one, are you?
I'm not giving up on this tree. I love this tree.
Well,
It gave me 9 of the most greatest tasteful little tangerines, or
mandarin.
mandarins. Easy to peel and no seeds.
Well,
Okay, so once again, thank you guys for watching. Let me wipe the sweat out of my eyes there. Thank you again for watching. Please stay tuned for our new videos, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our page.
channel.
Channel.